Good morning, how are you? And now student, today we will start exercise 2.5 mathematics chapter 2 polynomial. And these questions I am solving according to serial wise, and I request you to perform as much as better you can. Please improve your practice, and you have to keep in your mind formula and read question carefully, and then there will be no problem. I request to all the students, please revise formula and concentrate the given topic or the question. Read question thoroughly. After reading the question thoroughly, there will be no confusion will create, and you can solve easily all the formula, all the question, if you know the formula related to that question, related to that topic. Therefore, I request revise formula on daily basis and practice as much as you can. In mathematics, practice is compulsory for each and every day. Without practice, no one can solve the question in a easy way. Practice makes a man perfect. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान, जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना बढ़ेगा ज्ञान. इसीलिए मैं इसको कह रहा हूँ, प्लीज बी केयरफुल फॉर दैट. Here is, we know we have to convert it. Here is cube, here is 64. So what should I do? This is the question number 10, and the part is second part, and first part or third, जो भी any part is left, then you do yourself. And then m cube, so that means we have to convert it. 64 is also in cube. Then what is the number whose cube is 64? Or we can write 64 is equal to the cube of which number? Think. Cube of which number is 64? Do you know? 64 we can break. 4 is 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. Easily you can do it. It means 64 is the cube of 4. Is it clear? It means 64 is the cube of 4m whole cube minus, and 343 is the cube of, you have to keep it in mind, 343 is the cube of 7. How? This is in table of 7. 7 for the 28. Here is 6, 63, 9, 7. This is 7. 1, 2, 3. It means 343 is cube of 7. 343 is cube of 7. So it means we can write 7 and whole cube. And now easily we can do it. We know the identity. A cube minus B cube. Can you tell me? Here is A minus B. A square plus AB plus B square. What is A? A is, this is A and this is B. So we have to use this identity for this question. Now what should I do now? 40m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. Now you have to think and tell me the answer. Keep in your mind. And next, what is this? What is A? Is 4m minus, what is B? 7n bracket A square. What is A now? This is A. This is A, this is B. A square means 4m square plus AB. This is A and this is B. 4m into 7n plus B square. B means 7n square. And we have to solve it. 4m minus 7n, 4 square, square of 4, 4 square, 4 into 4, 16. It means 4 square, square of 4 square means 16, m square plus 4 into 7, 28, m into n, mn. plus 4 7 square 7 into 7 into 7 49 n square n square. It is your answer. This is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. And now this question 27 x cube. Can you tell me the identities? A cube plus b cube plus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, tell me the identity. What is a? A plus b plus c, and this will be a plus b plus c. Mean we have to apply identity. A cube plus b cube. Here is a plus b plus c. All are positive. A, that means a square plus b square plus c square minus a into b, a into b, a into b, फिर minus b into c, फिर minus c into a, minus c into a, c into a. Then you will get the answer. 27. 27 is the cube of. Now tell me. Now you should have to know. 27 is the cube of. Tell me the answer. 27 is the cube of 3. 27 is the cube of 3. And m is x is same. So it means this is cube of 3 and x is same. X cube plus b y plus z cube minus 3. We have to put formula 3. A, what is A? A is 3x. B is y and C is z equal to, now we have to apply identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a b c is equal to a plus b plus c. Here is no space, therefore I am writing it here. It means x a plus b plus c. This is a, this is b and this is c. Then what I have to write? A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. What is a? 3x. What is b? Y. What is c? Z. A plus b plus c. Bracket close. And now a square plus b square plus c square. A square, this square. Square of this. A square. 3x square plus y square plus z square minus ab. Minus AB means A into B, this into this, 3x into y, 3x into y minus B into C, y into z minus C into A, z into 3x, and solve it. What is your answer? 3x plus y plus z. 3 square is 9, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. It is your answer. And now move to question number 12. Now question number 12. X cube plus, prove that, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this one. When we take LHS, it is very difficult to solve it. It takes so much of time. We will take RHS and we solve RHS. RHS, what is RHS? 1 by 2 x plus y plus z x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. We write simply RHS. This is RHS. And now we have to apply identity. We know x minus y whole square. Can you tell me? X minus y whole square means we can apply identity. X minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. And the same identity we will apply it here. Y minus z whole square y square plus z square minus 2y z, and the same identity at here, z square plus x square minus 2x z, and we can apply the same identity in all three cases. Then what we will get? 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. What is your answer now? This for identities. Now tell me, x square plus y square minus 2xy, and think over it, and I am giving you some time to sort it, not too much. Stop video and try to solve yourself. When you will check the video and try to stop the video, and after that you try to do yourself. When I will say do yourself, then you have to stop the video at that time and try to do yourself. And now apply y plus y. Here is a same. Apply same identity. Y square plus z square minus 2y z plus here is same a minus z, a minus b whole square means z square plus x square minus 2x z. And now this will be 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Here is, now you have to try to solve yourself. How you will solve? First you have to stop the video and check your copy, and then solve yourself. And when you will solve it, then check answer, and the video will be continue, and then check your answer. This is the best way to practice. When I am saying do yourself, mean stop your video and try to do yourself. If your answer is right or wrong, then you have to check after continue to your video. Then what is your answer now? Check yourself. How your answer is right or wrong? X square plus x square. Here is 2x square. Y square plus y square. 2y square. Z square plus z square plus 2z square. Here is 2xy. Here is 2yz. Here is 2xz. And after that, what should I do? I will write same x plus y plus z. And now again stop video and check and do yourself. And what I am saying, do yourself in what are you observing? You are observing that 2 is common in all terms. Then 2 is common. What is your answer? X square, 2 is common, plus y square plus z square minus 2 is common, xy minus 2 is common, yz minus 2 is common, xz. And this, and now again to do yourself. What step you will do now after this? You will know 2 into will cut. In the left, you have to write the same. X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to. And now tell me this into this is equal to. Tell me, and you to do yourself after stopping the video and check yourself. And now, and this is equal to, I think you know, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. This is the identity is equal to this. Or you can do by multiplying x in all these term, y to all these term, z to all these term. So all will cut and the remaining will left this one. Either you can solve by multiplication, by multiplying each and every term by x, each and every term by y, each and every term by z, then you will get the answer which is equal to LHS, and it is your answer. Verification. And now move to question number next 13. Now question number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. We have to prove it. We know. What do you know? Can you know the form identities? Now tell me, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to, what is the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Stop video and try to write identities at the right hand side. It will revise your formula, and it will try to revise your concept better way to perform and what is the identities. आप इसको वीडियो को स्टॉप करेंगे, उसके बाद इसके बाद एंट्री करेंगे, देन स्टार्ट योर वीडियो. x plus y plus z, it is your x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And what is this? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. Means what I do now? Means where x plus y plus z we have to put that value will be 0. Here is we have to put 0. So it means x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Here is 0. Here is same x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. 0 multiplied to any number, any variable, any term, then the whole answer will be 0. And 0 जिससे लड़ेगा उसको 0 करेगा. 0 से लड़ना नहीं, 0 से डरना नहीं, 0 से separate. Separate mean plus or minus. No effect on it. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to 0. Here is minus and that will be transferred to the right hand side. The answer will be x cube plus, here is answer. What is your answer? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. Hence verify. What do you observe? We observe that when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is always equal to 3xy z. And that question is already explained to you at the time of writing the identities. And it means when the sum of three number equal to 0, then without finding their cube, हम बिना क्यूब निकाले we can find out the sum of the cube of three number. When the three number is multiplied to each other and then their product is again multiplied by 3, then we can easily find out the sum of cube of three number without using their cubing. Is it clear? And now this exercise, only one or two questions is left and we will solve in the next class.